Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we uncover the latest tech and gadgets to enhance your daily life. Today, we're diving into the Logitech K400 Plus wireless touch keyboard, a versatile keyboard. With a built-in touchpad designed to streamline your PC to TV entertainment experience. If you're tired of juggling multiple devices and cables, this keyboard might just be your solution. Before we delve into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tech reviews. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the Logitech K400 Plus wireless touch keyboard. This all-in-one keyboard with a touchpad is here to simplify your life, especially when it comes to PC to TV entertainment. Let's explore why this keyboard deserves a spot in your living room. The K400 Plus keyboard is all about keeping your entertainment setup clutter-free. Say goodbye to the hassle of dealing with a separate keyboard and mouse. With its integrated touchpad and media-friendly design, you can comfortably control your PC-connected TV from the couch. Watch videos, browse the web, chat with friends, and more, all with ease. Setting up this keyboard is a breeze. Just plug in the tiny unifying receiver into a USB port, and you're ready to roll. No complicated installation processes or drivers required. Plus, the unifying receiver allows you to connect up to 6 compatible devices to your computer. Enjoy a generous wireless range of up to 10 meters. No more annoying delays or dropouts, even in larger spaces. Whether you're watching a movie, streaming content, or playing games, you'll have a responsive and trouble-free connection. The K400 Plus keyboard boasts an impressive 18-month battery life. That's right, you might forget it even uses batteries. Say goodbye to constantly swapping out batteries and hello to long-lasting convenience. This keyboard is designed with media interaction in mind. It features volume and arrow keys, handy Windows, Android shortcuts, and even a second left-click button for dual-handed navigation and selections. It's all about making your media experience more enjoyable and effortless. Personalize your keyboard experience with Logitech Option software, available for download on the Logitech website. Adjust key and touchpad settings to suit your preferences. It's customization made easy. The K400 Plus is a versatile companion, compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Android 5.0 or later, and Chrome OS. So, whether you're using a PC, Android device, or Chromebook, this keyboard has you covered. In conclusion, the Logitech K400 Plus wireless touch keyboard is a game-changer for your PC to TV entertainment setup. Its integrated touchpad, wireless freedom, long battery life, and media-friendly features make it a standout choice. If you're ready to simplify your living room setup and enhance your entertainment experience, check out the links in the video description below to learn more about the Logitech K400 Plus wireless touch keyboard. That's a wrap for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, may your tech be user-friendly and your entertainment be hassle-free.